Hi, this is Diane Pfister, and I'm excited to introduce you to some of the interesting concepts from the Graced Workshop. I invite you to share, like, and subscribe to this YouTube channel to inspire you to zap your thinking and to take this workshop when it fits your schedule. The next one's coming up in mid-LA in April, and there are going to be plans for the next one in Bali. And I'm also working on an online course for those of you who prefer to study in your pajamas. The workshop's going to have three main focus points. One is to learn how to muscle test, which is also called applied kinesiology, where you connect to your higher self and get answers to questions. Number two is to understand the owner's manual to being a soul trapped in this little meat suit. And three is to learn how to be an operator of the grace system so that you can design your future and help anyone else. I know you're going to love it. So today, I would like for you to first of all take a look at this image of a duck. Ludwig Wittgenstein, an Austrian philosopher from the early 1900s, was interested in how language can influence how we see, how it can change our perceptions. Odds are you saw this duck, but how many of you saw the rabbit? Just as words can limit your perceptions, words can directly limit your biology. We are bewitched by our words because we live in a word-built cage, but our bodies listen to and respond to our words. But when they talk back, they talk differently. Our bodies obviously don't speak English, but they do speak via pain, physiology, and symptoms. And it's just not complicated to understand them. We just need to learn to listen. So I just ask you to pause on the words you use and to think before you speak them, before you make them a frequency. The words you think then vocalize. When they turn into frequencies, they engulf your energy field, your aura, your biofield. Just remember, you are not a container, you're a conduit. And as you speak in a high frequency, ask yourself, have you trained yourself to accept low frequencies as a norm? And then when you do, you allow it to create issues with health. We can train ourselves to only emit high frequency words, and that creates well-being and health. The biofield, this transparent egg-shaped space around your body, is in control of 80% of your immune system. You can choose to litter that space with trapped emotions, toxins, EMF waves, and even low attachments to addictions and bad foods if you want. Or you can change your physiology by every thought, every minute. And it works fast. You have new blood cells every day. In fact, you can reconstruct your entire liver in 4 to 6 weeks. So put it into action. Keep your words in high frequency. It's great to practice putting this into action. At first, start in the privacy of your own home, but the real challenge, the big challenge, is going to be when you step outside your door. Because speaking in high frequency at every moment, whether standing in a coffee line or waiting for a bus, is when it's going to make a big difference in your health and your well-being.